First, open up the pants and slide over the end of the iron. Set your iron temperature to quite hot with the steam on, and do around the belt area and top of pockets first. Do that around all sides of the jeans. And take it off and get one leg with the seam facing up right in the middle and lay it flat onto the iron with the rest of the jeans hanging off the edge. Make sure the underside of the jean is also flat so there's no seams once ironed. Now this is the important part. Don't go to the edge, leave the edge unironed. Now turn the pant leg 90 degrees, doing the same thing, top to bottom or bottom to top, not ironing the edge. Use your other hand to hold tight to get out any seams while ironing over the top. Do this on both legs. Doing it this way will make sure you don't get any seams and pleats on the edge of your jeans, and it'll be all flat without any points on the edges. Go over any areas around the crotch and the pocket that you've missed. Done.